So, beautiful people, as you see, the blue pea flower is coming out small. So this is about 5 minutes later. Okay, so we are going to leave it more so that the color will come out more. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. So in this video I want to prepare blue pea oil. Okay, so this is my blue pea flour. So this is my coconut oil. I have my jar here. So I'm going to pour the coconut oil inside this. So beautiful people, thank you very much. If you are just seeing me for the first time, help me to subscribe for more videos. So this blue pea oil is good for skin rashes or for smoothie. It's very good. Okay, so beautiful people, as you see, the blue pea flower is coming out small. So this is about 5 minutes later. Okay, so we are going to leave it more so that the color will come out more. So thank you. See? Subscribe. Visual people, it's ready. I want to take it down. Wow. Okay. Wow. So, beautiful people, thank you very much. Thank you for watching. This is our blue pea oil, okay? Don't forget to share with your friend and family. It's good for skin, okay? And you can use it for your hair. It's very good. So share my video. What? Thank you for watching. See, this is nice. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Mwah.
Mommy, this is the cocoa.